really appreciate your support and staying with me. Guys, thank you so much. And please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I need your subscribe and like, guys. Your encourage, I need your encouraging mold. Sis Melly, thank you so much. Boss Bochog, thank you. Kat, thank you so much. Thank you po sa inyong lahat dyan. Pagod na ang lola. I'm really tired now because of 2 hours doing diamond painting is not a joke, guys, really. But I'm really enjoying this diamond painting, guys, really. I really love this diamond painting because it's very fun and it's very cute. So, last 1 minute tayo, guys. Nakalimutan ko maglagay ng harang. Katangahan lang. Meron pa bang harang to dito, guys? My God. Ang damat magbigay ni Lolo ngayon ng harang. Ba't ganon? Minsan na nga lang magkaharang sa vertical. Hindi pa binibigay ni Lolo. Thank you so much sa inyo dyan, guys. And diba, ang cute niya. Close your eyes. Ididikit ko din yan, yung iba. Yung iba, hindi. Yung magaganda dito ko ididikit, yung very colorful siya. Jarang! Ang cute niya, diba? I really like this, baby image, baby design. They are so cute. Ayan po, guys. Thank you po sa inyo. Magpapahinga na muna ako. I need a little rest, guys. So, guys, thank you for now. 54 viewers on the house. Thank you so much. Hope to see you this evening, 10:30 p.m. Japanese time. That is my live stream for tonight. Thank you so much, guys. Please. Bye. Thank you po. God bless. Highlight para may 5 minutes video ka. Hindi ako marunong gumawa nun. Sabay ganun eh. Paano ba paggawa nun? Turuan mo nga ako, Boss Bochog, paano paggawa. Dito na ba pipindutin? Boss Bochog, paano yung paggawa ng highlights? Hindi ako marunong. Sabay ganun. Paano paggawa ng highlights? Hintayin ko muna yung ni Boss Bochog bago tayo mag-end. Pindutin mo sa gilid. Saan gilid? Saan gilid dito, boss? Yung sa kaliwa, sa kanan. Sabi ganun eh. Ay, nawala tuloy ako. Naligaw ako. Ay, Boss Bochog, sa pala ako? Sa naka-vertical ako, yung parang book. Pindutin mo po sa gilid, parang book.